Okay, so this is one AI avatar lip sync singing video that I just created using ElevenLabs. Take a listen.
Started with a whisper like a match against the stone. A tiny flicker dancing that I shielded on my own.
Okay, so if you are interested to create content like this, then let me show you how. So first, you need to prepare the character or the avatar that later would be animated by AI in ElevenLabs. Now in this case, I'm going to be using this character that I created using Gemini. You could obviously use your own avatar or your own photo to be turned into a video later. And after that, you can open ElevenLabs.io. You can log into your own account. And of course, you need to prepare the audio that later will be used as a lip sync content in the video. Now, for this example, for this demonstration, I will actually use a piece of music or song that I created earlier on my ElevenLabs account. So there is a music feature in ElevenLabs that you can use to generate song or music using a description or a prompt. Now here is, I have a music that I have created. This is what it sounds. Let me just give you a quick preview so we can continue later.
Just the rhythm of the tide. Easy skanking, life is good today. Let the music wash the blues away.
Okay, it sounds like that. And basically, if you create music or song using this tool, you must download the content to your device first, because later we need to upload that into the video generation. Now, basically, you can open image and video, and you can select the model. Let's navigate to a label called LipSync, this one. And here there are several models that you can try. There are different in pricing. Some are cheaper than others, some are more expensive, and usually the models that are more expensive will yield better result. But let's try something in the middle. I'm going to use this one, Creatify Aurora, and that's actually the model that I use for the first example that I've shown you earlier. So I think that's quite okay. It's not the cheapest, but also it is not the most expensive. All right, now here I'm going to upload the avatar, the picture of the character. You can actually use some presets here, but I'll just use my own. And let me select that guy. And after that, you can click this speech button and you can select the audio that you want to insert into a video. So you can actually use the speech that you created in ElevenLabs, but in this case, again, I'm going to use the music that I created earlier. Let me select that. Okay, so this is where you can specify the guide for the video generation. You could tell AI that the character must do something or something must appear in the video, but that is completely optional. And here you can select the resolution. I think I'm gonna select 480 because it is going to be cheaper. And you can choose how many generations or how many variations that you want to have for this generation. I think one should be enough. And remember, just I always check the cost that it would take to generate the video. I think this one is quite okay. It only costs like 9,000 credits, so I think that's still very much acceptable. So when you're done with all of the settings, you can click this button and just wait for AI to turn that character and also the audio content into a lip sync video. So this will take quite a while. It might take several minutes to complete, so I'll just skip a word and I'll show you the result. All right, so I got this result. Let's take a look.
Got no worries, feeling irie. Just the rhythm of the tide. Easy skanking, life is good today. Let the music.
Okay, I would say that's quite decent. It sounds really good. The animation is pretty much accurate on what he says in the audio or in the music. Maybe the only issue is that he is not playing the guitar well, and this is actually a problem I noticed with lots of AI lip sync models. They're not able to sync the music or instrumental with what's actually being played in the audio. So that's one subtle problem, but overall I would say the video is quite good. So if you like it, you can download the video to your computer, or you can also just upscale the video, extend the video. You can create a lot of things with these tools in ElevenLabs. But basically, that's the general idea on how you can generate a lip sync video or AI avatar talking video using ElevenLabs. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.